Hi, my name is John Heffernan. I'm the Assistant Resident Engineer with the Active Travel Office working on the Clontarf City Centre scheme. Today we're showing how the Clontarf City Centre scheme is changing how people get around our city. This ambitious project not only improves the look of our city, but also opens the door to new ways to travel. Supervising such a large project requires an aerial view. Thanks to drone technology, we can get important information about how the site works, informing how best to allocate site staff and how to set up temporary traffic arrangements. Our goal is to change the way people move around Dublin by inverting the travel pyramid through the reallocation of road space to walking and cycling. These aerial surveys are very important for keeping track of progress on the project and helping to settle any contractual disagreements. They also help to identify potential delays to the project, which keeps us on track. These visuals also have a communications use. The before, during and after footage will help us to engage with the public by demonstrating the scale and complexity of the project. With the help of drone technology, we're redefining urban travel, ensuring a more connected and sustainable Dublin.